Welcome back to Smart Currency Tube and to our episode on blockchain jargon and its significance. If you've ever felt lost in a sea of crypto terms, you're not alone. The world of blockchain technology is filled with unique vocabulary that can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. In this episode, we'll break down some of the most common terms you'll encounter in the crypto space, making it easier for you to navigate this exciting landscape. We'll cover essential concepts like decentralization, smart contracts, and tokens, as well as delve into more complex terms like consensus algorithms and gas fees. Our goal is to demystify this jargon, providing you with clear definitions and real-world examples that make these concepts relatable and easy to understand. Understanding blockchain lingo is crucial. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're a seasoned enthusiast looking to deepen your knowledge. The crypto world is rapidly evolving, and having a solid grasp of the terminology can empower you to make informed decisions, engage in discussions, and even explore investment opportunities with confidence. So, whether you're here to learn the basics or to refine your existing knowledge, we promise to keep things engaging and informative. By the end of this episode, you'll not only feel more comfortable with blockchain jargon, but also be better equipped to participate in conversations about this revolutionary technology. Let's dive in and unlock the language of blockchain together. To grasp the intricacies of blockchain technology, it's essential to start with a clear definition. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This means that no single entity has control over the entire network, making it a crucial component of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. By ensuring that all transactions are verified and recorded transparently, blockchain technology fosters trust among users. One of the most significant aspects of blockchain is decentralization. Unlike traditional financial systems that rely on central authorities, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. This decentralization not only enhances security, but also reduces the risk of fraud and manipulation. Each participant in the network has access to the same information, promoting transparency and accountability. Another key element of blockchain is the ledger itself. This digital ledger contains a chronological record of all transactions, which are grouped into blocks. Once a block is filled with transaction data, it is added to the chain in a way that is immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or deleted. This feature is vital for maintaining the integrity of the data. Additionally, smart contracts play a pivotal role in blockchain technology. These self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code allow for automated transactions without the need for intermediaries. By understanding these foundational concepts, you'll be better equipped to navigate the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. In the world of cryptocurrency, understanding the terminology is key to navigating this complex landscape. Let's break down some essential terms that you'll encounter frequently. First up is cryptocurrency. Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Think of it as the online equivalent of cash, but instead of being stored in a wallet, it exists on a blockchain. Next, we have wallet. In the crypto world, a wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. You can think of it like a bank account, but instead of holding physical money, it holds your digital assets. There are different types of wallets, including hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline for added security. Now, let's talk about mining. Mining is the process by which new cryptocurrency coins are created and transactions are verified on the blockchain. Imagine it as a competitive puzzle-solving game where miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they succeed, they get rewarded with new coins. As we explore these terms, remember that it's perfectly normal to feel confused at times. If you come across any crypto terminology that leaves you scratching your head, don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments. We're here to help you decode the language of cryptocurrency and make it accessible for everyone. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, several coins have emerged as frontrunners, each with its unique features and use cases. Let's dive into some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Starting with Bitcoin, often referred to as the original cryptocurrency, it was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network and is primarily used as a digital store of value or a medium of exchange. An interesting fact about Bitcoin is that its total supply is capped at 21 million coins, making it a deflationary asset. Next up is Ethereum, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and others. While Ethereum is also a cryptocurrency, it stands out for its ability to support smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. This feature allows developers to create decentralized applications (dApps) on the Ethereum blockchain. A fun fact about Ethereum is that it has its own programming language, Solidity, which is specifically designed for building smart contracts. Lastly, we have Ripple, which is unique in its focus on facilitating cross-border payments for financial institutions. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple is not mined. Instead, all its coins were pre-mined, and it aims to provide a faster and more cost-effective way to transfer money globally. An interesting tidbit is that Ripple has partnered with numerous banks and payment providers, making it a significant player in the financial sector. By understanding these popular cryptocurrencies, you'll gain insight into their diverse applications and the technology that drives them. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be an exciting yet daunting venture, especially for newcomers. To successfully navigate this market, it's crucial to understand market trends and the importance of thorough research before making any investment decisions. The crypto market is known for its volatility, with prices often experiencing significant fluctuations in short periods. Keeping an eye on market trends can help you identify potential opportunities and make informed choices. Before diving in, it's essential to conduct comprehensive research on the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Look into their technology, use cases, and the teams behind them. Understanding the fundamentals can provide valuable insights into a coin's potential for growth. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of crypto. While the potential rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies can be substantial, it's important to acknowledge the risks involved. The market can be unpredictable, and prices can drop just as quickly as they rise. Therefore, it's wise to only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your portfolio can also help mitigate risks, spreading your investments across different assets. As you embark on your crypto investment journey, prioritize responsible investing practices. Set clear goals, establish a budget, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market hype. Continuous learning is key. Stay updated on market developments, regulatory changes, and emerging technologies. By approaching the crypto market with caution and curiosity, you can enhance your chances of success while enjoying the journey into this dynamic financial landscape. As we wrap up our exploration of blockchain jargon, let's take a moment to recap the key concepts we've covered in this episode. We started by defining what blockchain is and its vital role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. We then delved into essential terms like cryptocurrency, wallet, and mining, breaking them down into relatable analogies to make them easier to understand. We also introduced popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, highlighting their unique features and use cases. Understanding these terms is not just about grasping the basics. It's a crucial step for anyone looking to deepen their knowledge of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. As the crypto landscape continues to evolve, having a solid foundation in this jargon will empower you to engage more confidently in discussions and make informed investment decisions. We hope you found this episode informative and engaging. If you enjoyed the content and want to learn more about blockchain and cryptocurrency, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this episode with friends or anyone who might benefit from understanding blockchain terminology. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of blockchain jargon. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode.